This is 9 East 71 Street, the Jeffrey Epstein $77 million Manhattan mansion. Inside this creepy 7-story building, he hosted the world's powerful elites while running a global network of sex trafficking. Yes, you heard that right. This 21,000 square feet house of horrors was the center of his crimes against dozens of girls. A taxidermied tiger was found in the Royal Lounge, alongside a bookshelf filled with illicit books involving the abuse of minors, such as Lolita, first edition of Vladimir Nabokov. The Wazir Room featured a showcase of framed photographs of elite figures set against an expensive wall painting in Roman style of naked mural. Alongside, there were a drawer displaying a comprehensive and disturbing archive of videotapes. The darkest secret of this mansion was a bright statue hanging lifeless above the stairs that leaves every onlooker paralyzed with wonder and dread. Epstein knows exactly how to impress the global elite, using the piano as a prop and surrounding himself with the trappings of prestige, classical music, sprawling libraries, and royal mansion aesthetics. Here are some leaked photos. He named every room with a different letter of the alphabet A to Z. Not for creativity, not for art, but for control. Hidden behind the luxury of his mansion were cameras placed in nearly every corner, from the bedrooms to the lounge, the halls, the private office, even areas meant to offer privacy. Yes, I'm talking about washrooms. The walls were covered in disturbing artwork images that raised questions no one dared to ask out loud. Authorities later revealed this mansion was allegedly used as part of a much darker operation, one involving manipulation, exploitation, and abuse. There was a private massage room, where varieties of oils, lube, and sex toys were found, which he used to assault minors. From the outside, it was a symbol of wealth and power. Inside, it was a carefully constructed world of secrecy. For years, the mansion stood in silence, until the truth began to surface. And when it did, it exposed a network that shocked the world. Jeffrey Epstein used to host dinners and parties for global elites in this mansion. He allegedly offered minor girls to global elites' private bedrooms. It is believed that he installed cameras throughout the mansion to secretly record activities. He then allegedly used those videos to blackmail individuals and demand money in exchange for keeping the footage private. For this purpose, he allegedly targeted girls between the ages of 10 and 15. He reportedly instructed them to give massages and told them that if they recruited more girls, they would be rewarded with hundreds of dollars. According to investigators, Jeffrey Epstein claimed that he possessed evidence involving powerful global elites. Jeffrey Epstein died on the 10th of August 2019 at the age of 66. The official medical examiner ruled his death a suicide. However, his death has sparked widespread controversy and numerous conspiracy theories, with some people questioning whether powerful individuals were involved to prevent further revelations. It was reported that Epstein was housed in a cell that was supposed to be monitored by surveillance cameras. On the night of his death, there were irregularities, including guards allegedly falling asleep and reported issues with surveillance footage. These circumstances fueled further speculation and turned the case into one of the most debated mysteries in modern history. The question remains whether all individuals connected to the case will ever face accountability, or whether parts of this case will remain unresolved. That's all for today's update. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like more updates on this case, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.